Kia ora, I'm Dana.
And I'm Sela. We'll walk alongside you in this course, Social Media Appearance Guide.
Yes, now you'll see short videos like this one, plus a workbook and simple tools you can use in your own time. Now you can dip in and out and focus on the parts that matter most right now. Maybe you're here because your tween has just asked for Instagram, or because your 16-year-old is already deep in socials and you're worried.
From here, each video zooms in on one piece of the puzzle, so you don't have to fix everything at once.
First, we'll look at how to stay connected with your teen about socials, even when you see things differently.
Then we'll get practical about setups, devices, rules, and plans that fit your child's stage and your whānau's values.
We'll talk about building their internal filter and how to help them take more charge of their feed and the algorithm.
And we'll finish with two big supports: strengthening offline life, sleep, friendships, and activities, and knowing what to do when things go wrong online. Now, you don't have to use every idea. Take what fits your values and your kids and leave the rest. This is about building a plan that works in your real life.
For now, you don't need to decide anything huge. Next up, you'll see a few simple questions to help you map where your whānau is at and what matters most right now.
We'll take it one step at a time, so you and your teen can feel more steady and supported in a very online world.